Imagine a party balloon covered in dots. Each dot is a galaxy. As you blow up the balloon, the air, dark energy, stretches the rubber. Every dot moves away from every other dot. Can dark energy be created by loneliness? Dark energy is like a lonely, invisible force that fills empty space. Instead of pulling things together, it pushes them apart. For billions of years, space has grown bigger. Because of this, galaxies drift farther apart. The force of dark energy just makes them more alone. Can dark energy change lonely space like an isolated locked room? As a bug, dark energy fills empty space also grows bigger, expands, shapes, forms and even intensifies as a silent but mysterious energy. Can lonely dark energy accelerate in space? Yes. Dark energy is exactly what's causing the expansion of space itself to accelerate throughout the cosmos. Can loneliness form isolation accelerate dark energy? Paranormal energy explanations. In paranormal and some spiritual traditions, people do describe hauntings in terms of energy linked to lonely or distressed individuals. Residual hauntings. The idea that intense emotion or trauma, fear, anger, grief, imprints negative energy onto a place, which later feels haunted even with no conscious spirit present. Intelligent hauntings. Some accounts say entities or energies feed on or respond to human emotion, especially negative states like fear, sadness, or isolation. So an isolated, distressed person might seem to attract or amplify activity. Soul fragment ideas. A few metaphysical models suggest that trauma can cause fragments of a person's energy to split off and linger in a location, effectively creating a haunting tied to that person's experience. Does heat vision brain colors show the same for all people? In heat vision, thermal imaging, brain colors are not exactly the same for all people. The colors show temperature, not the brain itself. Because every person's brain temperature is slightly different, the thermal colors will also differ. In heat vision, does the brain colors show exactly the same for all people in every scan? In heat vision, thermal imaging, the brain colors do not show exactly the same for all people. Here's why scans differ. No fixed colors. Thermal cameras use false colors. The camera assigns colors based on the temperature range it detects in a specific view. A red or yellow in one scan might be blue in another. Different scales. The temperature settings change. If one person has a warm head, the camera adjusts its color scale. This makes the colors look different even if the exact same brain is being scanned. Personal differences. Brain temperature is not exactly the same for everyone. Factors like blood flow, stress, age, and any active inflammation change the heat output and the colors. Bottom line, the question isn't answered by AI. Does our brain show darker colors when under fear? Yes. When looking at the brain using heat vision, thermal imaging, or a specialized blood flow scan, a fearful brain often shows darker colors. Is the human brain like outer space? Yes, the human brain is surprisingly like outer space. Both are vast networks. They share the same structure and math.